How's it, guys? This is Gary from the very beautiful Cape Town, South Africa. The date today is the, just give me a second. What's the date, love? 16th or 17th? The 17th of January 2018. Guys, I want to just take you through a little bit of what the current situation is. If you have a look, every year in January, sort of mid-January, there seems to be like a semi-crash in the cryptocurrency market. And from being up at 700 odd billion, it's dropped to 525 billion. Bitcoin actually dropped to, I think, just under $10,000, and everybody was panicking like everybody does that's new in this game. Guys, important to realize, don't panic when the prices drop if you're in the projects that are there long term. Now, we know Bitcoin is long term. I've been in Bitcoin since January 2016. I've seen the prices drop 40, 50, 60%. And initially, when it started happening, I started to panic, okay? And then I started to realize the best thing to do with Bitcoin and these very good other altcoins is just hold and just observe, all right? So never, ever sell when you're in a good project and the price dips. That's an opportunity to buy. It's like going into the housing market and buying mansions at the price of normal houses, okay? So it's what's going to make you wealthy, and in a very short period of time, if you have the opportunity to buy during those periods, you will bounce back, and you will bounce back 40% wealthier very quickly than you were at the time before the bounce. So before you hit the bottom, okay? So don't stress about seeing red like this. When you see red, you just add to your positions. That is the key, guys. That is the key. Provided you are in good positions with good alternative coins and obviously Bitcoin. So today, just to prove it, I've sent 0.5 Bitcoin to Binance. Okay, if you're not on Binance, I know they were over registered, so they closed new registrations for a while, and every now and again they open it. So just go onto Twitter and you'll see when, and follow them on Twitter, and you'll see when they open for new registrations. Sometime last week, in an hour, they received 250,000 new accounts. So that's the influx of fiat money into crypto at the moment, okay? And that should give you an idea where this is going in 2018. Now, why am I buying NEO? Okay, why am I buying NEO during this drop? All right, guys, I don't know if you're aware, but if you hold NEO, all right, just to give you an idea, I've been talking about NEO since NEO was about $7. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my channel here quickly. I don't know why it's selecting everything. This is my channel, guys. If you don't follow it, please follow it. If you want to learn what I've learned, obviously you're not entitled to. Just do as you feel, but it is free advice. So yeah, I talk about NEO, Antshares, an incredible opportunity. NEO, Antshares, Revisit, and some other exciting coins. And at this time, NEO, massive opportunity right now. NEO, how to download the Neon wallet. At this time, NEO was around about $7. Okay, and if we have a look at NEO at the moment, even in this crash, it's sitting at number 7. It's $135. All right, from $7. So you work it out, guys. That's the kind of money we've made in this altcoin. And I never sold a single NEO, okay? And the reason I never is not only because I believe this will run up to $500 or maybe $1,000 this year. I believe it's probably a year behind Ethereum. But also because if you hold NEO, you get gas. All right? Now, to give you an idea of how this works, is just by holding NEO, you get the appreciation of the coin. You can see mine went from $7 to 137. And you also get gas. Now let's just say, for example, you hold 3,000 NEO. You'll get approximately 308 gas, which is also a token, a coin. Let's just go to gas, which you can sell and you can do whatever you like. You can sell, you can hold, doesn't matter. And gas is at $56 at the moment. So let's just have a look. If I've looked at the ratio of gas and NEO, it's around about 50%, slightly under 50%. All right, so let's have a look. Let's say NEO goes to $1,000 in the next 18 months. Okay, that means gas will be at about $500. And if I'm earning 308 gas, that means I would have earned 4,000 gas. Sorry, what am I talking about? Let's just do that again. 308 times $500, $154,000, okay, for the year, times 12.5 to convert it to rands. I would have earned nearly 2 million rand in passive income just holding gas. All right, so if you want to work out what the dollar value is, it's $154,000 a year just by holding gas. So that's why today I'm going to be buying more NEO. Okay, so I've gone to my Binance account. Okay, you'll see, go to your Binance account, go to funds. I'm just talking you through this so you guys can see exactly how to do it. I've already sent Bitcoin from my Trezor, half a Bitcoin, to Binance. Okay, from here I go to exchange. I'm just going to use the basic. I'm not trying to, get every single cent. I don't day trade NEO. All right, and you'll see it already puts in a price for me here. Okay, and here I can select what percentage. If you're not on NEO, guys, click on NEO here. So you go here, NEO, click on it, and it brings it up and it puts the current price. All right, here I can select what percentage of my Bitcoin I want to use, and then I click Buy NEO. All right, now in most cases, it won't give you a straight acceptance like that. Okay, but for me it has, because as I did it, the price dipped slightly and it took the entire amount of NEO, Bitcoin for NEO. So if I go to my funds, have a look here, you will see that I now hold 41 additional NEO at the value of 0.5 Bitcoin. Now guys, the beauty of Binance, okay, is that if you hold your NEO in Binance, they will reward you your gas in Binance as well. Okay, so they will reward your gas in Binance as well. Now, I don't do it because I've already downloaded the Neon wallet, all right, where it works slightly different. And to see how that happens, you need to go to the video below, how to download your Neon wallet, etc. But if you've got faith in Binance, which you really shouldn't have faith to keep your money on exchanges, but you can see I've got quite a substantial amount on the exchange, then hold it on here while you learn how to do it. Okay, so in the short term, it's probably safe. This is not financial advice. None of this is. It's just for educational purposes, guys. So ideally, you want to actually move it, move your NEO onto its own wallet. But in the meantime, if you're still learning how to do that, it's safe to keep your NEO on Binance to receive your gas. Alright guys, remember, don't panic, be kind to one another. We've seen this in the marketplace many times. This is an opportunity really to buy. Other good projects I would suggest is Amisa Go. Let's just run through it quickly with you. I think we've probably near the bottom already, but I would say is Ethereum. Ripple at this price is pretty good, but they've had a massive up run. Cardano is a nice long-term project. Litecoin, you guys know I love it. Neo, we adore Neo. NEM is a very good project. Stellar joined with IBM, and IBM have now partnered with a massive freight business. So I'm not sure what that's going to do with this price. IOTA is either make you or break you project. If they can prove their Tangle technology, this is one that's going to really shoot up well over $500 next year, well, within the next 18 months. EOS is a fantastic project, guys. It's run by Dan Larimer. He did Steemit and he did BitShares. Dash at this price, you will double your money as soon as this market bounces. This is a steal for Dash, guys. Monero as well. Gee whiz, guys, you can buy Monero under $400. Great buy. All right. Icon as well. I'm loving it. Okay, very good project. Quantum, very good project. But Amisa Go is one of my favorites, and at this price, it is a big, big buy. All right, guys, this is Gary from the beautiful Cape Town. Remember, do not panic. Hold if you're in good projects. If you're not, sell and get into good projects. Okay, if you're new to crypto, guys, this is standard operating procedure. It's the way we've made massive amounts of wealth over the last sort of 18 months, and it's the way that, you know, the patient are rewarded by the impatient. So as people sell, it brings the prices down. It's like great goods going on sale. You make sure you're ready to buy when that happens. And you'll see I've done videos on this in the past. So from me, from the beautiful Cape Town, and from a sweaty me, I must apologize. I've just got off the spin bike. Have a good one, guys. This year is going to be absolutely fantastic for all of us. This is Gary, and I'm out.